Audio Jungle.
As the first pre-production F-150 Lightning trucks roll out of Ford's new Rouge Electric Vehicle Center and demand soars for the all-electric truck, Ford today said it will increase investment and add jobs to boost production. Ford is investing an additional $250 million and adding 450 more direct jobs across the Rouge Electric Vehicle Center, Van Dyke Electric Powertrain Center and Rossonville Components Plant. The investment and added jobs will help increase production capacity to 80,000 trucks a year. Flexibility is key to Ford's production system and the way teams are now working to deliver the company's future lineup of electric vehicles. To deliver this latest increase, a small task force of employees from manufacturing, purchasing, strategy, product development and capacity planning are finding ways to quickly adapt and expand production of the groundbreaking pickup. Ford is working with key suppliers, as well as with its own manufacturing facilities Rossonville Components Plant and Van Dyke Electric Powertrain Center, to find ways to increase capacity of electric vehicle parts, including battery cells, battery trays, and electric drive systems. The Lightning is drawing interest from customers of competitor brands at a record rate in North America, with more than 75% of reservation holders new to the Ford brand. Ford is committed to leading the electric vehicle revolution, investing more than $30 billion in electric vehicles through 2025. Over the next 2 years, Ford aims to emerge as the clear number 2 electric vehicle maker in North America and then challenge the number 1 spot as huge investments in battery and electric vehicle manufacturing come on stream. Within 24 months, Ford will have the global capacity to produce 600,000 battery electric vehicles annually. This $11.4 billion investment will create nearly 11,000 new jobs at Blue Oval City and Blue Oval SK Battery Park in Tennessee and Kentucky and build on Ford's position as America's leading employer of hourly auto workers. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.